Alright guys, welcome back. As you can see, got our wire here that we needed yesterday. We picked that up this morning. And we got some other wire over here. And we got these pulled in. So these need to get cut down. And these will be landing on these breakers right here, there, and right there. As you can see, I'm eating my candy bar from lunch still. And so we got one panel pulled in and we have to pull in the other one. We have that pulled in with the fish tape already, ready to go. Have to pull this, I don't know if we're just going string first and then rope and then wire, or if we're just going straight rope. I think we're just going rope to the wire. So basically just roll all these wires out straight down this way and then tie them on to the rope once we pull the rope in from the fish tape, and then pull it in with the tugger inside. I might be currently locked out of the job site, I'm not sure, unless they unlock the front door. Otherwise I'll go show you inside of there if it's not locked. But this is outside, and this is the meters or whatever, so that measures the power or whatever. So anyways, that's what I'm up to today, just pulling on this wire. It's kind of raining outside. I'll go see if the other side is open at the front, and if it is, I'll show you what's going on inside. Alright guys, so I locked that back up, and the wire's in there. It's not made up yet. Just put the cover back on, and then I'll make that up tomorrow in the rain, and hopefully I don't zap myself, so that'd be cool. Alright guys, so like I said, I have to hook that up tomorrow, and the top of it is hot for the line side because it's an existing service. So we basically just disconnected it and pulled out the old wire, and now we are getting ready to pull in we already pulled in the new wire, but I just got to hook it up. And so as long as the breaker shut off in the off position, you will be fine, but the top of it is hot, so if anything was to accidentally touch it, you could potentially hurt yourself. So anyways, hoping nothing bad happens tomorrow, and continuing to work on the rest of that now that we got the service pulled in. Basically just have to tie all the branch circuits back into the panels, and that will pretty much do it, I think. I don't know if there's anything extra we're doing on this job just besides moving these panels, but that should take another day or two. So anyways, that's what I'll be working on tomorrow, besides landing the feeder wires. Then we will be working on tying in the branch circuits. So we're going to get there really early because the people, there's some kind of company above us, and they're complaining about noise, so we have to get there really early tomorrow morning so we don't piss them off anymore. So anyways, I'm just heading home, and that will do it for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. God bless as always. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to hit that like button. I'd appreciate it. Help me out, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Don't forget to check out the description if you want to follow me along on social medias, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do live streams or upload new videos, guys. Thanks, guys. Peace out.